Hey everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. This video is all about Yardi Voyager, how to use it and what it is. So if you're into real estate and you're looking for a software that could help you manage all of your work, then in this video I'll show you how easily it could be possible. So Yardi Voyager is a cloud-based property management software used by real estate companies, managers, and REITs. It combines accounting, leasing, maintenance, and reporting in one integrated platform. It is specifically built for multifamily, commercial, affordable housing, and senior living. It says that the property operations and financial management could be in one integrated platform and it aligns your entire operations, tailor your experience, and customize your solution stack. It says that it doesn't just collect data, it connects it. It manages content efficiently for ultimate collaboration. It offers power reports with live Yardi data, the speed up unit turns and reduce cost, and it tracks assets depreciation with confidence. It offers different plans like Voyager Affordable Housing, Voyager Commercial, or Voyager Condo Co-op and HOA. If you're looking how to use it, so first you have to book a demo. Once your demo gets selected and you just simply join it, so you just have to simply log in to their dashboard. Once you get logged in, you will land on a customizable dashboard showing your properties, open tasks, rent roll, summaries, and financial reports. You can also manage tenant records, leases, rent payments, and move in, move out processes in one place. Yardi has a full double entry accounting system built in. You can handle accounts payable, receivable, general ledger, CAM reconciliation, and even bank reconciliation directly through the platform. You can create, assign, and close work orders. Vendors can also log in and update job status. It streamlines communication between tenants and maintenance teams. If you want to use this platform, you just have to simply book a demo by adding all of your details, and after that, you will be able to get a demo. And once you find it reliable, you can join it. Using it is super easy. Once you get logged in, you land on a customizable dashboard showing your properties, open tasks, rent roll summaries, and financial reports. So you can just simply manage all of these things at one page. When it comes to reporting and analytics, you can use built in templates or create custom reports for occupancy, income budget versus actual, and more. Everything is exportable for audits or for investors. It has both pros and cons. If we talk about the pros, it has all in one platform for property, tenant, and accounting management. It is highly customizable, fits for both small teams and large enterprises. It has strong compliance tools for affordable housing and government programs. It scales easily for portfolios with hundreds of properties. The integrated portals for resident and vendors. If we talk about the cons, so the user interface can feel outdated and overwhelming for beginners. Initial setup and training take time. It's not a plug in and play. Works best with a dedicated admin or team that knows the system well. And the mobile access exists, but it's not as smooth as other modern platforms. So, if you're managing multiple properties and need serious tools for leasing, accounting, and compliance, Voyager is a powerful industry trusted solution. It's not the simplest to learn, but once you set up, it becomes a central command center for your real estate operations. And if you have a team to handle it, then it would be really easy to go with this platform. Otherwise, you can always book a demo, and once you go through their product and how it works, and if you understand you can use it or it would be beneficial for you, then you can actually go for it. So that was all about the Yardi Voyager. You may give it a try, and once you find it useful, you may use it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like and you can also leave a comment. If you have any queries or anything else you would like to know, you may mention in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.